Away they go. China Girl from the outside, moving up is Golden Last. Ian's Melody down on the inside, Diridum. Alongside is Show Master Ding. Galing, sneaking by Daryl Red Hot Water and running by Daryl Gold Asian Citrus Admiral. Rounding the far turn, it's now Golden Last from the outside is China Girl. Diridum by Daryl Ian's Melody. Showmaster is rushing up from the outside. It's now China Girl. Showmaster diridum. Ian's Melody ding-a-ling-a-ling as they race the final corner. Showmaster from the outside. Diridum. China Girl, Ian's Melody, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Red Hot Water on the further outside. Showmaster, diridum, Red Hot Water, China Girl, Ian's Melody, ding-a-ling-a-ling. And nearing the finish line, it's all entry number 7, the favorite Showmaster. Red Hot Water, China Girl, diridum, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Ian's Melody, Citrus Admiral, Golden Last.